Heralded as the most significant evolution in platform design in 50 years, the next generation Centrus is designed for unstoppable performance. The Centrus was developed for maximum efficiency and built with extreme precision for superior strength. The Centrus is equipped with specially formulated mats to enhance cow comfort and fast stopping power to prevent cow injuries. Our high-performance composite technology makes Centrus structurally superior. Designed to never stop turning for 24/7 performance and productivity. With its modular design, Centrus can be built in almost any size you need. Future-proof your dairy with automation that integrates seamlessly. There's a reason it's a gold standard in dairy farms worldwide. This is the Centrus Composite Rotary Milking System.